not only have on that thinking cap, but for you to have on your listening ears, because Teacher Telly's got a very cool story for you. This story is called Laundry Day. All right, let's read about Laundry Day. You want to know something cool? Teacher Telly, check this out from the library. I'm bored, said Tick. Me too, said Tack. Why don't you two read a book? You love to read, said Ma Badger. We read all our books, said Tick. Then we read them backwards, said Tack. Well, how about building a fort? Asked Ma Badger. We already made one. Then we invaded it and it fell apart, said Tack. What about fishing? Asked Ma Badger tiredly. We caught all the fish in the pond, said Tick. Then we let them go, said Tack. Well, would you like to help me hang the laundry? Said Ma Badger. Laundry? Tick asked, looking surprised. We haven't done that yet, said Tack. Okay, they chimed together. Let me show you how to take wet clothes and sheets out of the basket. Don't let them fall on the ground. Then take the clothespin and clip them on the line, like this, asked Tick. Very good, said Ma Badger. It's so easy, shouted Tack from the other end of the clothesline. Will you boys finish hanging the laundry for me while I go to the market? Asked Ma Badger. Sure, Ma, chirped Tick and Tack. Tick and Tack quickly went to work, hanging every shirt, sock, sheet, and sweater that was in the basket. That was fun. But we're out of laundry already, said Tick. I have an idea, said Tack. We can hang the winter clothes and blankets, said Tack. Good thinking, said Tick. Once those items were hung, Tick and Tack looked at the line. That's it. We're out of clothes and sheets, said Tick. But we're not out of twine, said Tack with a grin. Tick and Tack ran inside and each grabbed an apple barrel full of odds and ends from the house and started to hang them. This is great, shouted Tick. It sure is. What else is there? Asked Tack. Look at all the things. They hung up all these things. They ran all over the house, gathering every whatnot, bauble, and trinket they could find. They picked up every knick-knack, this and that, and brick and brack in the house. They grabbed buckets and books. They pilfered the pots. They pirated the pillows. They looted lampshades and even took the toaster. They hung everything they could find that wasn't nailed down. We're really good at this, said Tick proudly. I'm pretty impressed myself, said Tack. But just then, Ma came home from the market. Tick and Tack, what have you done? She hollered. We hung up the laundry, said Tick. And a few other things, said Tack. Well, I'm not sure how you did it, said Ma Badger, but you forgot a couple of things. Can you see what they may have forgotten? I'm bored, said Tick. Me too, said Tack. I wonder if Ma needs help with dinner. She hung them on the line. Did you enjoy our story about Tick and Tack on Laundry Day? I sure did. These boys, they're something.